Now, definitely my favorite thing to do in the wintertime is when I come across a stream like this, get a good drink of what's in the water. For here, they got Powerade in the water. Yeah, this lookout right here is definitely one of my favorites for setting up a hammock. You got an amazing view. You got 2 trees right here, and you get to see the sunset perfect. There's the water, and it's not too difficult to get to. I've also never seen anyone up here. This is my 3rd time being here. I'm back at the car. I decided I'm gonna be making some Big Mac tacos. Got our ground beef. So I'm gonna be making this smash burger style. So you just take the meat, the raw meat, just put it right on top. And I actually just realized that I forgot my paprika and pickles. So I'm not gonna be making Big Macs, but I'll be making tacos. Pan is nice and hot. Yeah, right now I'm just parking right next to the hiking trail. So honestly, if someone did pull up and they wanted some tacos, you know, I got tons of stuff. I would definitely, you know, cook up some tacos for someone, let them have 1 or 2, however many they want. I think that'd be pretty lit. Grab our cheese and lettuce, grab the rest of it. Boom. Now let's try them. So for the end of the night, eat up some tacos, have some Gatorade, chillax, head back to town. I am getting real cold, so I'm gonna close this up and eat in here.